I have some Pringles, and we're gonna see which one's hotter and which one I like better. This is the Pringles Wavy Fire Roasted Jalapeno. This one right here is the Pringles Extra Hot Chili and Lime. Are any of these gonna be able to make me to reach for the emergency water? And am I going to be able to handle it? Okay, first we're gonna do a bottoms up. All right, so all of the ingredients that have settled to the bottom of these products are going to saturate themselves back into the chips. And then I'm going to get the full effect of the flavor of each of these. So, the aroma of chili and lime. And the wavy roasted jalapeno. Let's see what that smells like, guys. I like the smell of that better. But anyways, look at these, guys. Look at these. Ooh, very good. Can't wait to try them. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put some on each pad here. So the wavy jalapeno and the extra hot chili lime right here. And if you can see the texture, look at the texture of that one and how beautiful it is. Take a close look. No magic tricks here, guys. Looky here. Looky here. So which one do you want me to try first? Just raise your hand. You guys don't all yell at once, okay? Okay, you guys want me to try the wavy Pringles jalapenos instead of the hot chili and lime, okay? Right off, I can taste the jalapeno pepper. And it tastes good. And taste the chip, the crunch, the deliciousness, the morsels, and those jalapeno spices all over this chip. And it has ridges too, in case you guys didn't see that, for extra crunchiness. That's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good, you know. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Now, I'm going to try the Pringles. This is chili hot lime. That's what I'm gonna try. Here we go. Bottoms up, guys. I can taste the chili in this. And I can taste the lime at the same time. And yeah, it's kind of bursting out in the flavors. You know what I'm saying? I can feel the tingle on my tongue. I can really feel it. One more. Now I can already tell you, I'm not going to reach for that water because there's nothing, these aren't that hot. Okay? So let me tell you my final thoughts on what I think on each one of those. Okay. I can tell you that the chili and lime is definitely hotter. I would put them at about 6 out of 10, actually. They are much hotter than the Wavy fire roasted jalapenos. But the Wavy fire roasted jalapenos, I give a 3 out of 10 on hotness. So a 3 out of 10 on hotness and a 6 out of 10 on hotness. But which one tastes better? Well, the one that tastes better is the Wavy jalapeno. It has a better overall crunchy taste to it. And I like the taste of jalapeno peppers. So that's my choice for taste. But if you're looking for hotness or you want a little flame to tame, then right here inside this can of Pringles. If you want to be nice and get the spice, then right here, pick up these. Hot chili and lime is for you. Anyways, guys, that has been another taste test and product review by me, Mr. Goody. So if you like these videos, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and as always, until next time, guys, have a good day.